Hello friends, here is a quick review of Samsung's 6.5 kg washing machine. Now I'm going to show you all its reviews. Now first we are going to see its inner is the dryer. Here we have 4 buttons which you can select timer here, and if you want delicate you can select this normal and intense, and if you want to drain it's very hard, and it's the dryer button. Now we're going to on and see it's working. If this tray is moving, you can see here. You can slide like this. See here. Now let's see the dryer working. Now let's stop it. Here you can select the water selector mode, where you want to get the water, and here's the hole for water inlet. Now you can see the small big wheel, but it's not, but it's for only it's not used. It's only for design, but you can move this with small wheels down. So okay friends, now you know the specifications about this washing machine. Like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you.